I was a little slow. It was a great idea, but I was slow in executing my business idea. So right now there's a lot of competition. So I really wonder what to do.
So now I am asking you, okay, competition makes you feel good or bad?
Right now, though, it makes me feel bad.
Not right now. Competition will make everyone feel bad. Okay. Everyone will feel bad in competition because competition itself is a disease. Dis-ease. You don't feel good because you are feeling, the moment you say competition, there's an insecure feeling coming to you and you feel, my God, he will do better than me. True or false?
True.
True or false?
True.
So we are fallen low in our vibration. So first get the vibration proper. You are out of alignment. Does God say that he is better than this person?
No.
I'm asking you, Jiten. Does
No.
God feel that, oh, this Jiten is better than the let's say Rakesh, and Rakesh is better than Prakash, and Prakash is better than so and so?
No.
No. So you align yourself with the universal principle. You align yourself and become in alignment with the universal force. So competition is not a healthy word or a thought to think. We always say yes, you want to compete with someone. There is only one person you can compete with. Who it is?
Myself.
Yes. That is not called competition. Actually, it is called excelling yourself. A batsman scores 50 runs, 70 runs, 80 runs. He wants to score 100. When he scores 100, he excels himself. When he's 100, he wants to score 150, then he excels himself. And when he excels into 150, then he wants to score 200, he excels himself. If he starts thinking that person is a better batsman than me, he is better, he feels inferior and he feels in competition. So his mind is in the competition, and when the ball comes, he's thinking about competition, he makes a mistake and he gets out. True or false?
True.
But when he focuses on what he has, he is maybe not all-rounder of hitting, but he may be only a offside hitter like Rahul Dravid when he came in. And he could not play any he could not play any offside shots. He could only play leg side shots, Rahul Dravid. Okay, but he focused on his strength. When he started getting runs and 50s and 100s, only he would take whole day just to get 100 runs. But after some time, he became very, very good in the other side also. So drop this word competition. You are only competing with yourself. And yes, just by me saying you'll drop the word, you don't drop it. I agree also. So when you get the competition word in your mind, thought like this, you do like this and like this. That means I caught it. Now I'm focusing on what I want. Therefore, I asked you all, do the Success Cube program. And if you have done it, very good. I know you have done it, right, Jiten?
Yes.
Now you have to follow those thoughts. You follow that Leah time my way, not your way. That means catch your one. That 1 hour I wrote 5 minutes belief system, 5 minutes read your vision book, 5 minutes write down disturbance, 5 minutes affirmations. Like these, I've given you the whole thing. You do it that way, 6 months, your whole business will turn around. Unfortunately, people, they don't spend 1 hour and they don't spend it my way. They will just spend it their own way. True or false?
Yeah.
Like a sincere student, you do it and you'll get the results. Okay.